Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss a few concepts of introduction of marketing and services management. It's our first module. Let's start our topic, meaning of marketing. Marketing may be defined as all activities that are facilitating the movement of goods and services from producer to the ultimate consumer. The term market is derived from the Latin word maratus. This means merchandise, wares, trade, or place of business. It refers to a place where the buyers and sellers meet each other for sale and purchase of commodity. Traditionally, market is a place where goods are bought and sold. For example, fish market, vegetable market, etc. In modern concept, market means the total demand for the product. Next one, definition. First one, the Chartered Institute of Marketing defines marketing as the management process responsible for identifying, accepting, and satisfying customer requirements profitably. That means marketing focus on satisfaction of the needs and wants of consumers. Marketing signifies an integration of various functions such as selling, advertising, understanding consumer behavior, developing new products, innovation, distribution, and customer delight intended to meet customer needs and satisfaction. Our second definition, according to Philip Kotler, defines marketing as the social process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating, offering, and freely exchanging products and services of value with others. Here, two parties must be present. That is buyer. Buyer means here customer and seller. Seller is marketer. Then both of them must have something viewed valuable by each other. They must have the freedom to either accept or reject the offer. Each of the parties feels desirable to deal with other. Each party is capable of communication and delivery. So marketing makes goods and service more useful to the society by providing a wide variety of goods. It helps in improving the standard of living of people, and it also facilitates exploitation of economic resources of the nation. It also provides more employment opportunities. Next, we have to study goals of marketing. These are the important goals of marketing. First one, creation of demand. It wants to satisfy various wants of consumers. It can create time utility, place utility, and possession utility. Next one, market share. Market share means each firm tries to capture a reasonable share of the market. Next one, goodwill. By selling quality goods at a reasonable price, a firm tries to build a reputation for itself. Next goal, customer satisfaction. Modern marketing is customer oriented. It begins and ends with a customer. Next one, higher standard of living. Marketing aims at raising the standard of living of the community. This is made possible by producing and offering a wide variety of quality goods and services at a reasonable price for consumption. Next one, national development. National development means marketing helps to integrate various sectors of the economy. It also promotes development of entrepreneur and management people in the society. These are the important goals of marketing. Next, we have to study the functions of marketing. First one, marketing research. Marketing research is a process of collecting and analyzing market information to identify the needs and wants of the customer. Next one, marketing planning. Marketing planning means it is another function of marketing is to develop appropriate marketing plans so that the marketing objectives of the organization can be achieved. Next one, product designing and development. The products are designed and developed according to the needs and wants of the customer. Next one, standardization and grading. Standardization refers to producing goods of predetermined specifications. And grading means it is a process of classification of production into different groups on the basis of quality, size, etc. It is the process of classification of products into different groups on the basis of quality, size, etc. Next one, packaging and labeling. Packaging refers to designing and developing the package for the product. Next, labeling means designing and developing the label to be put on the packages. Next one, branding. A brand name, term, sign, symbol, design, or some combination of them used to identify the products of one seller and to differentiate them from those of the competitors. So branding means a brand name, term, sign, symbol, design, or some combination of them used to identify the products of one seller and to differentiate them from those of the competitors. Next one, customer support services. An important function of the marketing management is to develop support services such as after sales services, handling customer complaints, etc. Next one, pricing. Price of a product refers to the amount of money which customer have to pay to obtain a product. Next one, promotion. Promotion of products and services involves informing the customer about the firm's product, its features, etc. It includes advertising, personal selling, publicity, and sales promotion. Next one, transportation. Transportation involves physical movement of goods from one place to another. The last point is storage and warehousing. That means it stabilizes the price of a product and keep the product without damage until they are sold. These are the important functions of marketing. They are marketing research, marketing planning, product designing and development, standardization and grading, packaging and labeling, branding, customer support services, pricing, promotion, transportation, and storage and warehousing. These are the important functions of marketing. Next, we have to study approaches of marketing. These are the important approaches of marketing. First one, production approach. Second one, product approach. Next one, sales orientation approach, customer orientation approach, social marketing approach, marketing approach, and virtual marketing approach, and branding. These are the important approaches of marketing. First one, production approach. Production approach says that produce as much as possible at lowest possible cost. Produce as much as possible at lowest possible cost. Next one, product approach. Produce high quality product and the world will beat a path to your door. This allowed all families to easily have access to produced goods, which led to reducing cost of production per item. Next one, sales orientation approach. This approach focuses on the sale of product through aggressive selling and promotional technique to the buyers to buy the product. Next one, customer orientation approach. In customer oriented approach, customer opinion is taken through marketing research before the product is produced and after need assessment of customer. Products are manufactured keeping customer expectation in mind. Four important steps in customer orientation, they are marketing research, customer need assessment, customer need assessment, product development, advertisement and promotion, last one sales. First one, marketing research, customer needs and assessment, product development, advertisement and promotion, and last one is sales. These are the important steps of customer orientation. Next one, social marketing approach. This approach stress not only the customer satisfaction but also give more importance to the welfare of the society. Social marketing approach give more importance to the welfare of the society. Next one, marketing approach. It implies that focus on satisfaction of customers' needs is the key to the success of any organization in the market. Next one, virtual marketing approach. Virtual marketing approach comprises of process that link marketing elements to the components of online world. Virtual marketing approach mainly focused on comprises of process that link marketing element to the components of online world. It consists of many elements like search engines, social media, web application, etc. that constitute a digital environment construct a digital environment. Next one, branding. A brand communicates its customers what they can expect from products and services, and it differentiate more offering sorry and it differentiate offering made by the marketers from its competitors. Branding means a brand communicates its customers what they can expect from products and services. These are the important approaches of marketing. So let's conclude my topic. Market means it refers to a place where the buyers and sellers meet each other for sale and purchase of the commodity, and marketing means it defined as all activities that are facilitating the movement of goods and services from producer to the ultimate consumer. Okay, thank you.